Hi everyone, and welcome back to our Gmail training. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at some important settings that are going to really help you improve your experience with Gmail. First, let's click on the settings gear in the top right corner. You will see some settings in this menu, and at the very top, you will see a button that says See All Settings, which we will dive into in just a bit. First, up in the menu is Apps in Gmail. You can customize these with the apps that you want on or off, such as Chat and Meet. When turned on, you will see these apps enabled on the left side of your screen. Next, we have Density. You have Default, Comfortable, and Compact. Notice the differences as we select these options. In particular, notice that the attachment that is shown in Default versus the Comfortable Density. Next is a quick access to themes. You can click View All for more options, but do be aware that when you choose some themes, it can reduce readability and therefore requires your brain to work a little bit harder to discern important emails from less important emails. Next, we have Inbox Type. We're going to dive into that in a separate lesson. Scrolling on down, we also have Reading Pane. Now, no split means you must click on an email to read it and then respond. Right of Inbox opens the email to the right, and below Inbox opens the email at the bottom. These two options do allow you to see the inbox while you read and respond to your emails. Some people find this to be a bit distracting or maybe a crowded view, while others prefer this view. Now, managing email can be overwhelming and a source of stress, so test out these settings until you find which one works best for you. Last option at the bottom is email threading, so keep this on if you want your conversations to stay grouped together. Now let's go check out all of the settings that we have here in Gmail. So when we click on See All Settings, this window appears. Along the top are several categories or tabs, and we're currently in the General tab. At the top, we have language and phone number settings. One thing you may want to change is your page size. By default, it is set to 50 emails. Just below that is the undo send. You can change the default of 5 seconds to 30 seconds to give yourself time to maybe check grammar or maybe to check the tone of your email. We're going to look at that in action in just a second. We also can set a default reply behavior. I think everyone would thank you if you choose just reply. Try to reserve reply all for important situations only. I'm not sure anyone wants more email in their inbox than necessary, right? And then we've got hover actions. These really make a huge difference in the speed at which you can get through your emails. If you made changes, let's scroll to the bottom and click Save. Let's look at undo send in action. I'm going to respond to this email here, and when I do click send, notice the box in the bottom left corner. I will have 30 seconds to click undo, and then after that point, the notification will disappear. By clicking undo, the email is reverted to a draft. Now, those hover actions we spoke about, those are indicated here on the right. Don't dismiss these. Use these. When you log in each time, go through here and archive, delete, snooze, maybe change the status of the emails, and in a matter of seconds, you can have your inbox cleaned up. Awesome. So that's it for your first look at settings, in particular 2 special features in Gmail such as undo send and hover actions.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.